Hi everyone, welcome back to a new post today. And today, once again, after a long gap where I left off, so I had last time spoken about the industrial policies of the state of Telangana. Let's today continue our post with regard to the TSPSC mains current affairs and the important issues for the Telangana State Public Service Commission Group 1 mains examination. And today let's speak about the mines and minerals industries in Telangana and also the exports from the state of Telangana. So we already know that India has a very geological structure, and due to this we have a wide range of minerals. We have the geological structures of the Archean, the Precambrian, the Dharwar, the Kadapa, the Vindhyan, the Tertiary, Quaternary, and also the recent formations. So we have a wide range of mineral resources found in the country, and Telangana, the state of Telangana, forms a part of the southern peninsula and also the Precambrian tectonic province or the southern province shield, and shield items described under the Dharwar, Creighton, Kadapa, Vindhyan as well. It contains a wide variety of minerals, and therefore there are many mineral based industries in the state of Telangana, mainly consisting of greenstone, granite, soot, etc. So if you look at the district wise the potential and also the nature of the mineral resources that are found, most of the main mineral resources found in major districts. Adilabad consists of mainly the manganese ore, Bhadradri Kottagudem of stowing sand and coal, Jagatyal of iron ore, manganese and limestone, Jaishankar Bhupapalli of iron ore, coal and stowing sand, of Jogalamba Gadwal of limestone, Kambam iron ore and coal, Komaram Beam of limestone and coal, Mehbubabad iron ore, Mehbub Nagar of diamond and gold, and Mancherial you have limestone, coal, stowing sand as well. Nalagunda again limestone, gold and diamonds, and Peddapalli limestone, iron ore, coal and stowing sand as well. If you look at the mineral based industries in the state of Telangana, we have both public and private sector large and medium scale mineral based industries for manufacture of cement, sponge iron, ferro alloys, glass, refractories, chemicals, granite, limestone cutting and polishing units, granite monuments manufacturing units, quartz pulverizing units, stone crushing units, ceramic tile and pipe units, manufactured stand, brick kilns, etc. The state government is encouraging 50% utilization of the manufactured sand as an alternative to river sand in the government civil and projects as well. Presently, there are 44 established plants that are providing manufactured sand in the state, and the vast stone deposits occur establishing manufacturing sand units. So if you look at the character of the industries, I mean the nature of the industries, mineral based industries in Telangana, you have some 723 granite cutting and polishing units, 463 stone crushing units, some 183 limestone slab cutting and polishing units. These are all very helpful for the real estate sector. 44 manufacturing sand units, 34 ready mixed concrete units, 34 3 thermal power plants, 29 clay and ceramic units, 55 fuller earth processing units, 16 mosaic chip units, 234 laterite benefaction plants and 2 laterite barytes processing plants, etc. Some 21 cement plants, 15 sponge iron plants. So this is the features of, I mean the nature of the mines and minerals development industries in the Telangana. Now if you look at the nature of, if you look at the mines and mineral sector, as I told you, India has a very geology endowed with the rich wide variety of minerals, and the government has leased some 88,000 hectares of land for mining and quarrying activities. The state has about 1900 mineral industries, with Jogalamba Gadwal having 723 of them, Kambam having 463 of them, Vikarabad 224 and Komaram Beam some 183. The state has earned a total revenue of 3,750 crore from mineral production in the state, and mineral revenue worth 19,000 crore has been achieved from 2014 to 2019 and 20. This analysis is very important as we have just completed 10 years of establishment of a separate state. There is an organization named as the Telangana State Mineral Development Corporation, which is responsible for developing of mineral resources through exploration and mining activities. The state, another feat in the of the Telangana State Mineral Development Corporation is it is now a national mining agency or a national exploration agency, and this status has been given by our very own Ministry of Mines at the center. And now this agency called as Telangana State Mineral Development Corporation does not take into mining and exploration in the state, but also in other states outside the state of Telangana. If you look at the sand mining policy, Telangana has come up with its own sand mining policy in 2014, and there are certain streams that are entrusted to the Telangana State Mineral Development Corporation for extraction and supply of sand. Telangana State Mineral Development Corporation has given environmental clearances and operating some 70 sand bearing areas, with another 10 sand bearing areas coming into operational in 2020 and 21 and 22. The corporation supplies sand to the state government programs in the housing and the irrigation sectors as well. During 2021, sand mining contributed to a revenue of 783 crore to the state exchequer, and it is employing some 5,000 plus people. For 2021 and 22, the contribution to the state exchequer has been some 546 crore, and close to a third of the revenue goes to the district mineral foundation, which is benefiting the local population for education, healthcare, infrastructure and toiletry needs as well. If you look, in order to curb, the state government is also working on curbing of illegal sand mining in the state, and this it is doing by setting up an integrated call center to inform the buyers of the sand prices and also prevent illegal transportation of the sand as well. Additionally, some monitoring tools like the CCTV cameras and the weighing bridges have been installed by the state of Telangana. The online sand sales management and monitoring system received the Digital India Award from the Scotch Group in 2020. If you look at the status of coal in the state of Telangana, now we account for almost 7% of the proven deposits in the country, and districts such as Mancherial, Peddapalli, Bhadradri, Kottagudem districts account for 75% of the coal reserves in the state of Telangana, and we have the largest deposits of the coal deposits in the South Indian states. We have the Singareni Collieries Company Limited, which is also running a thermal power plant, and it is a state sector public undertaking which is primary in coal mining corporation in Telangana. It is also the second largest coal producer in India. Now, the total production of the Singareni Collieries Limited has grown about 42% from the current fiscal, from just 32 million tons in 2020 and 21. In 2021, the Singareni Thermal Power Plant was awarded the Mission India Energy Foundation for effective utilization of fly ash because of the production of electricity from burning of coal. And in the same year, the thermal power plant was declared as the best power plant with a plant loading factor, and this we have already spoken about last in the previous videos. The company has also received the Solar Excellency Award for a 2019 megawatt of solar power plant that is being set up by the Singareni Collieries Limited. The company has a turnover of 18,000 crore for the first 3 quarters of 21 and 22 and recorded a profit of 1,070 crore, achieving a feat of 227% in profit compared to the same quarters in the financial year. Looking at the export sector of the Telangana, now export is very important for not only garnering of revenue and also employment, but also it attracts a lot of investment. And in 2020-21, Telangana sold some 2 lakh crore worth of goods and services to international markets, accounting for 21.4% of the state's nominal GSDP. Now, the majority of this originated from the services sector, which makes up 69.3% of the exports by value. In addition, Telangana has also been ranked best by the Niti Aayog according to the Export Preparedness Index among the second, and it is second among the landlocked states in India. This report suggests that Telangana is the 5th best export ecosystem among all the states in the India, supporting the trade system and also the R&D ecosystem infrastructure. And Telangana is one of the only 10 states to provide a trade guide and one of the 15 states that provides an online information portal to their exporters. The Export Preparedness Index also suggests that it is very important for improvement of investor submits with regard to export oriented industries, which the state of Telangana has been doing. And if you look at the merchandise exports, then pharmaceutical accounts for 33% of the exports, organic chemicals 31% of the exports, nuclear machines 5.37, electrical machinery 4.67 machinery, salt and mines 2.87 machinery, cotton 1.97, cereals 1.76, coffee and tea 1.76, aerospace structures 1.04, and trade tools and other metals constitute to a meager of 1.03% of the exports. So and if you look at the status of the exports from the state from 2014 to 2020-21, the same, it is dominated by pharmaceuticals, which played a very important role during the COVID period. Organic chemicals comes second, electrical machinery comes third, your mechanical appliances comes fourth, and salt and minerals comes fifth. And if you see the districts from the state that contribute most to the exports, they are Medchal, Malkajgiri contributing 25% of the share of exports, Hyderabad 20% of the share of exports, Sangareddy 17.85%, Rangareddy 16.97%, and Medak 4.05%. And if you look at the top 10 destinations of exports from Telangana, it is USA 26%, China 6.78%, Russia 4.01%, UAE 3.26%, Bangladesh 2.90%, Turkey 2.57%, Germany 2.29%, UK 2.26%, Singapore 2.247%, and Japan 2.67%. So other than these top districts, you have even Nalgonda, Khammam, Yadadri, Bhuvanagiri, and with the launch of the one district, one product scheme by the central government to make every district an export potential region for the country, the Telangana government is also aiming to make all the 33 districts in the state export producers and also suppliers to the world chain global supply system, in view and in the mission and objective of the Government of India to play a major role in the global supply system. So this is about the mines and minerals and also the exports from the state of Telangana, and I hope this information was really helpful to you all to lay the foundation. If you did, please do like, share, subscribe, and I shall see you tomorrow in my next post. Until then, happy learning.